Jack, Mr. Ben. What is going on about you? Tell me the truth. Yeah, I want to share my secrets about you. Don't fake. Tell me the truth. I don't waste my time to talking about the rubbish to the people who don't understand me. Yeah, Oga, I know you before. Don't do the wrong about me. Hear me. I don't waste my time. Yeah, I know the life. I don't live to my time to get anything about wrong about me. I will show the thing, the picture of my life. Yeah, follow me. I want to show the better thing for your life. I want to make anything about the you will not listen about the kind of people another time when I get about the part. Yeah, I will show the football. You can play. You can make the goal. I want to make close and pattern everything they get the people in our time. You want to get the people know where time they get the money after the time the money want to get. I don't waste my time for the anything. What about the money? No be cash. Okay. Yesterday be night, I saw the guys, but I don't know what is going about the people know that time for me. Mr. Ben, when I gave the time, the one that missed me time, the when they come again. I show the money when I get the people know that stand for me. Tell me kadam pam 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 bam ring bomb.